Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to buy PEPE Coin with Bitcoin from Binance. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open the Binance application or website and then just log in if needed. Now once you're here, you just have to go to trade and then tap on spot. After that, you'll be redirected here. So once you're here, just go to the search engine and just search for PEPE Coin or PEPE. And then just tap on this, and this one or this chart will then show. And then from here, just type the amount of the PEPE Coin that you want. You can drag that. And then just tap on buy since we want to buy PEPE Coin with Binance. So in here, you can just adjust the amount. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. And then once you have typed in or adjusted the amount that you want to buy, then you just have to tap on buy and double check everything and then confirm the transaction. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!